Hey guys, as you can hear the audio, it is raining. Wait a minute. Sorry for the interruption guys, I'm chatting with my classmate. Sorry. So, it's Mike's here, and this is my first video ever playing Clash of Clans. I got the app Mobizen, get yours now. I'll be lefting the link to download the Mobizen in the description box. So yeah, download it. So what should we do? Oh, just things once. So I got the new update of Clash of Clans. Today we're gonna attack. I don't know. I guess it's just this stuff. Okay, more archers. Just attack one. Actually, guys, I'm very excited because I want that barbarian king so bad. Yeah, and so yeah. What is a lot of this, huh? Oh, that sounds amazing. Give me. No, those from the video. Oh, I'm impersonating man again. So actually, guys, I'm a free YouTuber because I just started an account. I have uploaded 2 videos, but it didn't get 50 views. I didn't even get any subscribers. So there you have it, folks. That's my first attack and my first ever video playing Clash of Clans. Hope you like it, guys. Wait. Don't forget to hit the like button, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And one thing more, guys, if I reach 50 subscribers or 100 subscribers, being videos every day, one video every day. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you want. And if you have any opinions or what should I do? Oh, bye guys. Yeehaw! It's